Who's it from, honey?
For me.
Who's it from? Is it from Bobby?
No.
Yeah, honey, that's from Bobby, okay? Yeah.
It's open on the top.
What's in there? Oh my goodness.
I need to cut that.
Well, yeah, we'll cut that off. Yep, that's fine.
What in there?
Other end.
Other side, sweetie.
What is it?
What are those? Are those gloves?
Yeah. What are in it? What are? What are?
There's something else?
Let's see. Is that it? Do you need help?
Yeah.
Nope. That's it. You got.
Look.
This is for planting flowers. See? Here you have gloves. And then that's how you can dig your holes for your flowers.
Remember? Because what did we say? What are you going to do when Bobby comes?
I cut that.
Yeah, we'll cut that, honey. But are you going to plant flowers with Bobby?
Yeah. I need to cut that.
Who's on it?
She needs to cut that, honey.
Who's on here?
And Mickey. See?
Go show the camera.
That.
Oh.
I do it.
That's wonderful, honey.
Yeah. Meaning. Yeah.
And what are you going to do with that?
Put bucket. Sand.
Sand.
Bucket with sand. Well, I think you're going to plant flowers with Bobby. Remember when you said you wanted to do that?
Then mine.
It is yours. It's your very own.
Yeah. Oh, I want Bobby.
Yeah, Bobby's going to come and help you. Yeah. Well, careful, please. Okay. And what do you, honey, what do you say? What do you want to tell Bobby?
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to see it.
You can see it in a second. You can give her a kiss. Okay, say I love you.
I love you.
Say see you soon.
See you soon.